Are you spending hours on keyword research but not making any sales? Most people focus on targeting the most popular search terms, but those don't always bring the right visitors. Today, I'll show you how to find the right keywords that attract the right people that are ready to buy, and it's easier than you think. Now, when you are reviewing a list of hundreds of thousands of keywords that you can potentially target on your website, note that not all of them are created equal, because some get tons of searches, but they only attract people who are browsing and not necessarily seriously buying in that moment, while others have fewer searches, but are full of people further down the sales funnel who are actually ready to buy. And those are the people we want to target. So we need to know how to find those keywords. And there are a few things I like to look at when analyzing my keywords. The first thing is the buyer intent. So what you want to look for are phrases that include certain words or keyword modifiers like buy, best, review, versus, near me, and so forth. Keywords that have these types of modifiers show clear intent to research and ultimately to buy whatever it is they are searching for online. Now, many of these high buyer intent keywords do have a lot of competition. There are tons of other brands, other websites who are vying to show up very high or more frequently for these keywords. And usually they are high search volume keywords. They often have tough competition because everyone is trying to target them. So ideally, try to find keywords with medium or low competition, but with decent search volume as well. And if possible, high cost per click, because there are many keywords that advertisers are actually willing to bid on. So from an organic perspective, it makes sense to create pages and content that target keywords that have some cost per click amount to them. And lastly, trends as well. So you want to check if the keyword interest is steady or growing over time and not dropping off month over month. So you want keywords that have good, stable search volume or increasing over time. Now, it's not hard to find these buyer intent keywords if you use a tool like the free keyword finder by Keywords Everywhere. This is a free tool and you don't even need to log in to use it. With the free version, you have 500 keyword lookups per day. But if you have a paying subscription of Keywords Everywhere, you can log in with your Keywords Everywhere API key, and your limits will increase depending on which Keywords Everywhere plan you have. Now, I logged in and I'm on the gold plan of Keywords Everywhere. Now, for my plan, I can run unlimited keyword lookups per day across all the keyword tools combined. So to find our buyer intent keywords, we just add our seed keyword right here. We also have the option to add more than one by clicking on the bulk selector right here. But for our example, let's just add a single seed keyword. Let's just say I have a site where I'm selling 4K webcams and I want to find the high buyer intent keywords. Now, not just the keywords with the highest search volume, but the keywords who are going to attract people who are actually looking to buy 4K webcams. We also have the option to select our country for the keyword data. I'm going to select the United States. And now let's find our high buyer intent keywords. So now the free keyword finder is doing its research. Okay, here we go. So it found 176 buyer intent keywords. Now, keep in mind that these are not all the keywords. These are specifically keywords that people are typing in who are actually looking to purchase or do research online. So we can see 4K webcam camera, 4K webcam for streaming. There's a brand keyword here, so on and so forth. And you could also see the average monthly search volume, the cost per click, the competition, which is between 0 to 1, one being the highest, and also the search trend percentage. And you can see the line graph over the past 12 months. If you're looking for keywords with a certain search volume, you can add those variables right here, including the cost per click. And if your brand is new, if your website is new, I recommend targeting keywords with a low to medium competition. Let's click on medium. So we could see 4 keywords with some search volume, but 0 cost per click that we can potentially target. So 4K webcam best, 4K webcam comparison, so on and so forth. Now, since we are logged in with our Keywords Everywhere API key, we can star these keywords to add them to our favorites list, or we could also click on this button at the top right to save all of the keywords in this view. And if we want even more keywords, we can select low competition. And here we have 138 keywords with low to medium competition that we can potentially target. And taking a look at these are actually pretty good keywords to target. And there you go. So the whole goal here isn't to just target keywords with the highest search volume. You want to attract the right audience who are in that mindset of doing comparisons and actually making a purchase online. Now, the Keyword Finder tool is just one of 8 free keyword tools available from Keywords Everywhere. So I will include a link to this where you can start using all of these for free today.